Instead of letting the vegetables in your fridge turn into a science experiment, shred them up and turn them into vegetable pancakes. A solution that is beneficial to you because it helps you hit your veggie goals, but also helps to reduce food waste, something that the planet could definitely benefit from. Now, these are inspired more by Korean-style vegetable pancakes, and you can change up the types of veggies you use based on what you have. To keep everything plant-based for Earth Month, I got some inspiration from Polmu1, the parent company of Miss Soya, to make an eggless batter using silken tofu. You can then mix that batter together with your veggies and cook it off until you get some crispy edges with tender veggie centers. Truthfully, the best way to get your veggies in. So let this be a reminder.